Guys, what's up? Today we're creating something really amazing. Today I'll be showing you how to create your own encryption-decryption app. Okay, so let's get started. First, let me show you the output. So, our app will look like this at the start. Well, you may think this is not much, but when I click Start Encryption and I enter random file names, say hello or just turn it up, hi, and I put hi, how are you? And I click create. So now we will wait for a bit. And then in a few seconds it should show the output. Update. It was a success. See? And then it automatically clears this. So now we press X, so like we delete this, go here, enter run again, and click start decryption. So now we will choose our file. So we choose hi, and we wait for a bit so it shows up here. And then it will show this message, and in a few seconds it will show it on here. See? So yeah, this is what we're creating in today's video. Okay, so let's get started. First, we'll add our basic tkinter libraries. So from tkinter import, and then you need to add one library called simplecrypt import encrypt decrypt. So this will help you with all of your decrypting and encrypting stuff. And then we're adding file dialog from tkinter import file dialog. And then we're importing like an operating system, so import OS. So root equals tk, and our root.geometry will be 400 times 250. So now we're creating some variables. So file name underscore entry. So the file name we enter equals null for now. Encryption underscore text underscore data. So like the text we're encrypting will be null. Encryption underscore text underscore data. So decryption underscore text underscore data. That will also be null. Then define save data. So def. Now we need to add global. What this will do is that this will allow this function to be used in our code, like not just here. So global. So like it can be used all over the code. So global file underscore name underscore entry. So this variable we're calling it as global, and then global encryption underscore text underscore data, like here. And then file underscore name, so the name of the file equals get the file name entry, so file underscore name underscore entry dot get. So we're getting the file underscore name. Then file underscore open. Then file equals open. So we're opening this file underscore name, and then we're adding txt, then w. So like we're storing it in Windows kind of. Like we're storing it in like our desktop place. And then data equals encryption underscore text underscore data dot get. So this is the data we have to get, 1.0, comma, and in all caps. So capital E, capital N, capital D. Cipher code equals encrypt, round bracket, XYZ, comma, data. So this will encrypt our code in like basically letters. So like what we have here. Then hex string equals ciphercode.hex. So this is called a hex string basically. And then hex string equals ciphercode.hex, which we just did. And then print hex string, so we print the hex string on the console. and then file dot write hex string. So like it'll write the file on our root window, and then file underscore name underscore entry dot delete. So we have to delete our file name. Like, see, let me show you. Open, start encryption. Say I just write this AF, and then so chest, and then I wrote here chest, and then I wrote create. So basically, all that line is doing is that it'll delete whatever we've written here and remove it, so we can write another thing. So let's just wait a few seconds, and it should show the update message. Yeah, so see, it deleted all of the stuff from here. So I click OK. So basically, that's what it does. And then encryption underscore text underscore data dot delete message box dot show info update success. So that thing that just showed update and success is called a message box. So kind of like a pop-up basically. So define start decryption, RAM bracket, global file name underscore entry, global decryption underscore text underscore data, root dot destroy. So if we click on start decryption, it will destroy like the other files. So let me show you. It'll destroy basically the this page. So if I click start in decryption, it'll delete the other root window. Next, decryption underscore window equals TK. So basically a root window. And the geometry for that is 600 by 500. And then description underscore text underscore data equals text description window. So we're just going to specifications. If the height is 20, the width is 72, and description so we're replacing it at Arial x equals 0.5 and 0.35 for Arial y, and then replacing it in the center, so anchor equals center. btn underscore open underscore file equals button. So now we're creating the open file button. So description underscore window comma text equals. So this is the name we've kept. So like here we've kept root equals tk. So you can also do it like this: description window equals tk, kind of like that. So description window comma text, because usually when we put a button we put root here, but we can also put this: description underscore window comma text equals choose file, font equals Arial 13, command equals view data. So we're grabbing this function, and here so we're basically writing what that? I just need to find the code. So view data, we're basically commanding it to like take the stuff from here instead of writing it. So button underscore open underscore file will be placed at 0.5 for Arial x and 0.8 for Arial y. Anchor equals center, and decryption underscore window dot main loop. So we're ending the decryption window. So like the code for that. And then define view data global description underscore text, decryption underscore text underscore file equals file dialog dot ask open file name, title equals open text file types, and then what we're opening and like what the type is dot text, so dot txt. Name equals os dot path dot base name, round bracket text underscore file. So like this is the type of file. Print the name. Text underscore file equals open name and then r. So paragraph equals text underscore file dot read. Byte underscore string equals byte dot from hex. So this is like a string, a byte string from hex. Paragraph original decrypt xyz byte underscore string. So decrypting it. Then final underscore data equals original dot decode UTF minus 8. Decryption underscore text underscore data dot insert. So like we're inserting the data we got from the decryption text underscore data dot insert and final data. So text underscore file dot close. So close the file. Then start encryption. So basically we started the code and going down here. So global file underscore name underscore entry, then global encryption underscore text underscore data, root dot destroy, encryption underscore window equals tk, encryption underscore window dot geometry, so we're creating a whole new window, 600 cross 500, file underscore name underscore label equals label, encryption window, comma text file name, font equals Arial 13, and then replacing this at Arial X equals 0.1 and Arial Y equals 0.15. Anchor equals center. So that basically places it at the certain position. File underscore name underscore entry equals entry, encryption window, comma font equals Arial 15. So this is the size of the font, and this is what font we want. So file underscore name underscore entry dot place, replacing this at 0.38 for Arial X and 0.15 for Arial Y. And then usually we put here anchor equals center, but sometimes what we will do is that we will put W here. So that means it'll be placed in the west side. So file underscore name underscore entry, yeah. So button underscore create, so like the create button equals button, encryption window, text equals create, font equals Arial 13, command equals save data, btn underscore create dot place, Arial X equals 0.75, Arial Y equals 0.15, anchor equals center. Encryption underscore text underscore data equals text, round bracket inscription underscore window. So we're creating like the text data. And then height equals 20, width equals 72, and replacing this at 0.5 for Arial X and 0.55 for Arial Y, anchor equals center. And then we have to close the encryption window, so encryption window dot main loop. Heading underscore label equals label root, text equals encryption and decryption, comma font equals Arial 18 italic, heading underscore label dot place, replacing this at 0.5 for Arial X, 0.2 for Arial Y, and anchor equals center. So then btn underscore start encryption equals button, round bracket root, comma text equals start encryption, comma font equals Arial 13, command equals